crocked up on the vet track on the 110.
Just the pit bikes today. We're gonna hit up the track. Supposedly they just redid the track. They got a brand new kids track over here. We're gonna go check it out.
Whoa. Here we go. Oh. Damn, those look pretty big. Hell yeah. Pretty whoopee. Oh, that's sick, dude. So, I forgot to mention, we're out here testing out the new kids track out here at Fox Raceway. Well, maybe I did mention that. I forgot. Oh shit. I'm still figuring out these jumps, man. Whoa. She's just kind of pushing it. liquids and get back to it. This mystery person has told us that there is another pit bike track, since this one's getting watered right now. So we're gonna go check out that one. My kickstand was down. Oh shoot. The mystery man says he doesn't want to be on video, but now he's doing stuff that needs to be on video. Like, what the hell? Oh shoot. The pro pit bikers. Whoa, brother. Tunnel. It's loud in there. Oh. Oof. Oof. Oh, buddy. Yeah. This is pretty sweet. Oh my gourd. Ah, I keep missing that one. Hammer down. Oh, that was close. That berm, or that little rut in there, it's kicking my butt. The first time I was nowhere near it. Every other time after that, I've been freaking right on it. This is a pretty sweet track though. This track is sick.
I know, dude. I saw kids riding on. I went and cruised around.
Hell yeah.
And then I saw these kids riding here. I'm like, oh, fuck yeah. And I was on my way back to bring you the good news. When they have like actual pit bike races here, this is the track they race on. Yeah.
Hell yeah. So we're pit bike racers now.
Well, not really.
Alright. Round 2 on the kiddie track. Send it. Oh, it's moist out here. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more lap. Jump that first line. That shit's fun though. We're on the move again.
Yeah, I think I'm getting the P-dub.
Yeah! swinging, swinging. Oh shit. Fuck my bunghole. I thought I was dead. Oh. That was a sketchy one. Whoa, those ruts almost killed me again, man. Oh, oh my God. Maybe this isn't the best track in the world. Almost died like twice. My balls hurt. That one in the back over there, that would always, the one that always kills me. Got some steel plates, some wood. Sounds pretty cool in here, I guess. Mud prints. Someone died right there. Or I think this is like an ancient, it's an ancient cave. They're doing handprint drawings. Oh look, there's more ancient writing. It says up unit vault. Something like that. Oh, utility vault. 2007. That's ancient, bro. Hill climb. house, baby. Put me in the race. Put me on the Jeep. Kawasaki, hit me up. Not really. Maybe on a bigger bike I would be doing okay. Up on the vet track on the 110 in basketball shorts. All the pros do it, right? Hitting the inside lines. Hit the outside lines. Champ survived another freaking Fox Raceway trip. That was a pretty good one. Dude, the no crashes for me, insane. A couple of close calls, but we survived. And that is all that matters, I think. See you next time. Thanks for watching the Dirt Champs.